What's up, y'all? Feeling a little musical right now. Hope you enjoy this B-side from Motley Crue. One time. We could sail away, I catch a freight train, a rocket ship to outer space. Nothing left to do, too many things said, to ever make it feel like yesterday did. Seasons must change, separate paths, separate ways. We ain't blame it on anything, let's blame it on the rain. I knew it all along. Friends all day, counting their ways, and they said I could crash if I could find my own way. When I'm leaving, was here today. That's alright, that's okay. We were two kids in love, trying to find our way. That's alright, that's okay. Go away, girl, don't go away.